Good morning, guys. I hope you're well. So it's 4 a.m. in the morning and I can't sleep obviously because my timing is completely opposite, and I'm sleeping during the day, I'm awake all night. This is what happens when you have like consecutive night flights. So my friend just called me and she's in the same boat as me, and we are going to a restaurant that is 24 hours here in Abu Dhabi, and we're gonna go eat and talk crap until we get tired, which will be probably 9 a.m. and we'll probably sleep all day. So it should be interesting. So I'm gonna take you guys with me so you can see what we do in these kind of situations, I guess. This is cabin crew life. This is why you need to stay on top of your life, being healthy, exercising, having a life balance, because you know, psychologically these things can sometimes play with you a little bit and play with your mind. So yeah, anyway, let's go. It's really hot actually. Anyway, it's completely dead out. Everyone is sleeping. Actually, it's nice. Not very hot today. Usually now, like coming up to, you cannot even go outside because it's so hot, but it's actually not too bad. I don't know where she is. I have to text her. 2 minutes my ass, where the hell are you? The place that we're going to is called Denny's. Denny's is like a 24-hour place here. Denny's is like an American diner. The food, oh my god, they have the best veggie burger. Oh my god, it's amazing. Can't wait to eat it. And it's gonna be delicious. Delicious. Where is this girl? Come out, fuck stick, and get us a cab. So rude. How about no? Look at you. Look at this akka. Look at her.
Got me representing cotton on body.
I mean, what is that? Oh, look at you, dressed cotton on body. Look attractive.
Excuse me, top half is sweet trees is a $40 tag.
Gorgeous. You look amazing.
All I can tell you guys, get in, get off, get out, and I've gotten out.
I think she had a special someone. Oh wait, let's walk. It's not even hot.
Fuck off! I'm not walking up Abu Dhabi Mall.
Okay, fine.
It's half an hour from here.
It's not. Yeah, but look, it's nice. The day is beautiful. It's not.
Fleece.
It's not. It's not. Get in the car before I slap you one.
Hello.
Hi, babe.
Good morning.
It's my boyfriend.
Yeah.
Have you not been to Denny's before? No. Oh my god, Denny's is so good. They have the best onion rings and veggie burger. That's why I'm craving, because every time I go there I eat it.
Never been.
It's the best. It's so good. It's so good.
I've not been to sleep. Remember how I was going to go to bed early because I get up from Melbourne early?
Oh yeah, you did one. Babe, I can't sleep. I literally cannot sleep till like 9 a.m. My timing is completely
Well, what my plan
screwed.
is, by the time I come back, it'll be like 6-ish. If I set my alarm for midday, I've only had about 5 hours sleep, so I'll still be tired for the night.
Yeah. But like, my friends like, put some like relaxing music on.
That keeps me awake.
And
I know. I get tired at about 6.
Yeah, I'll start yawning at about 6, and then 9 o'clock I have to sleep.
Then you get up at 7.
And then I get up at fucking 6 or 7 p.m. and then what do I do then? Do you know what I mean?
I know. So like, that's why maybe if I get up at midday after 5 hours, I will still be too tired after my big afternoon tomorrow.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, I'm gonna be worn out. Lots of cardio.
Oh my god, look at KFC, it's packed. Yuck, I couldn't think of anything worse.
They always give me free chips in there because I used to steal other people's.
I can't think of anything worse. I can't think of anything worse than KFC at this time.
They know me as the chip girl.
The chip girl. Here we go.
Oh, well, here's another water situation. So whenever I have a bath, right?
Yeah.
Because I like to have a bath, I like to relax.
Oh, are you a bath girl?
I'm a bath girl.
I can't do baths. I get bored.
No, because I have my laptop ledged up there. They've got YouTube going as well at the same time. So I've got a little setup. So I've got an area for my crackers. An area for my laptop.
I've got an area for my crackers, an area for your laptop.
Yeah, exactly.
Area for your dips.
No, I do. This is ledge, right? And I can fit it.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, no, I've done it. And I can
A whole cheese platter.
fit my candle at the back, right? So I'm having a bath, and then when I unplug the bath, I come through because the wall connects to the kitchen. Water everywhere. There's a burst pipe, right?
Oh my god.
But it hasn't stopped me. It's been burst for 3 months. So God forbid I'm going to get electrocuted one day.
Oh my god, that's bad. Imagine you drop.
Yeah, but I just probably get electrocuted before work, so I go to work for no reason.
Oh. That is terrible. That is so terrible.
In my active wear. Ew. What of what?
Of your burger.
What did you say?
Veggie burger life.
I am the carnivore out of the two of us. I think I'm going to cut it. I got avocado. Does that mean it's healthy?
Alright, take a bite. Hurry up.
Oh my god, it's going to go around.
How is it? Review. Film.
Get in there, baby boy. We've been waiting all day for this.
Oh my god. This is heaven.
Heaven?
Heaven. Who said that veggie burgers aren't nice? Vegetarian is good.
5:19 AM.
5:30 AM. We're still here.
We've only been here an hour, so it's good for us.
Is that all?
It's usually 5.
I'm starting to I'm starting to deteriorate slowly.
So am I, and that's getting me
Slowly. This is why you have to be so normal if you want to be cabin crew.
You know, you're gonna be abnormal because of it.
Or that.
You're gonna be weird as shit.
Or that.
You're gonna enjoy sitting at a diner eating a burger at 4:30 in the morning.
I'm sorry, that burger that I ate was worth everything. I would have walked in the 50 degrees heat that's outside right now. I would have walked in this heat miles for this burger, man. This burger, it really, really hit the spot. Oh, they are so queasy.
Look at my face.
Oh my god, that is ugly.
Why is he with them?
Oh my, yeah, but he's horrible as well.
You said it was hot outside.
Yeah, on his face, but look at the way he walks in his ass. That's not hot. What I say? What have you got on? You know how classy this bitch is? She's got a real Louis Vuitton wallet, and look at the way she's dressed. When the sun's out. The sun's out. It's time to go home. Go to the gym now? I can't think of anything worse.
Hey, I thought
Huh?
pants.
Babe, just take your clothes off. You might as well.
Underwear on.
Oh. You don't even have underwear. That's horrible. Free Willy.
Free
Are you Free Willy? Oh my god, are we gonna get a taxi at this time?
I'll
Oh my god.
Flappers out, we will.
I can't.